Winter doesn't have to put your garden on pause. In fact, you can keep your plants thriving all season long using simple Dollar Tree items, and some of these tricks cost literally $1 to pull off. If you've been feeling like the shorter days and dry air are winning the battle against your indoor garden, today's lineup is going to change that. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening. If you love practical tips that actually help your plants grow, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 12 Dollar Tree indoor garden hacks that work surprisingly well during winter, and you can set them up even if you're on the tightest budget. Before we jump in, make sure you subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss our daily gardening tips. Let's get into it. Hack number 1 is all about turning cheap storage containers and a bit of cotton rope into a simple self-watering system that keeps your plants hydrated without any effort. You just thread the rope through a small hole in the inner container so it hangs down into a water reservoir below. As the soil dries, the rope pulls moisture upward and keeps everything evenly damp. This is a lifesaver in winter, when indoor heating dries out pots faster than you expect, and you're not checking them as often. It creates a steady balance that helps roots stay healthy without the risk of overwatering. This setup works especially well for herbs, leafy greens, and houseplants that prefer consistent moisture. It also saves you from guessing when to water, which is one of the biggest winter struggles for indoor gardeners. Instead of your soil swinging from bone-dry to soaked, the wick system keeps things stable and stress-free. For a single dollar, it's one of the most useful winter hacks you can add to your indoor garden. Hack number 2, mini greenhouse from storage bins. Clear plastic storage bins make perfect little greenhouses for winter seed starting. Flip one over your seed trays or small pots, and you instantly create a warm, humid pocket of air that helps seedlings sprout faster. The lid traps moisture, keeps temperatures steadier, and shields young plants from the dry indoor air that usually slows germination this time of year. It's an easy way to give your seeds the cozy environment they need without investing in expensive equipment. To get the best results, place your mini greenhouse near a bright window where it gets plenty of indirect light. If you notice condensation building up too heavily, crack the lid slightly for ventilation so you don't encourage mold. This simple setup boosts humidity, regulates warmth, and speeds up early growth, making it one of the easiest and most reliable winter seed starting tricks you can do for just $1. Hack number 3, grow lights. Using LED bulbs. Dollar Tree LED bulbs can pull double duty as budget grow lights when paired with a simple desk lamp. These bright, cool white bulbs give your plants the extra light they're missing during short winter days. Set the lamp about 6 to 8 inches above your plants so they get enough intensity without overheating. Even this small boost helps prevent leggy, stretched-out growth and keeps your indoor garden producing steady, healthy foliage through the darker months. The key is consistency. Give your plants around 12 to 14 hours of light each day to make up for the limited sunlight winter offers. This setup is perfect for herbs, seedlings, and leafy greens that crave reliable illumination. It's one of the cheapest ways to turn any corner of your home into a functional growing space, and the results are surprisingly strong for such a low-cost upgrade. Hack number 4, propagation station with glass vases. Dollar Tree glass vases and jars make it incredibly easy to build a clean, simple propagation station for winter. All you need to do is fill a vase with fresh water, trim a healthy cutting from your plant, and place it so the nodes sit just below the surface. Because the air inside your home stays warm through winter, most cuttings root faster than you'd expect. The clear glass also lets you keep an eye on the water level and watch the roots develop, which helps you know exactly when a cutting is ready to move into soil. Plants like pothos, philodendrons, coleus, mint, and basil root beautifully this way. Just change the water every few days so it stays clear and oxygen-rich. In 1 to 2 weeks, you'll usually see tiny white roots starting to pop out, and within a month the cutting is often strong enough to pot up. It's a simple, almost effortless way to grow new plants for free while keeping a little greenery going all winter long. Hack number 5, humidity trays from baking pans. A Dollar Tree baking pan filled with pebbles and a little water is one of the easiest ways to raise humidity around your plants during winter. Indoor heating pulls moisture out of the air, and many houseplants react by drying out, browning at the edges, or drooping. When you set your pots on top of the pebbles, the evaporating water creates a gentle humidity boost right where the leaves need it most, without ever letting the roots sit in standing water. It's a simple setup that gives your plants a much more comfortable environment during the driest months. This trick is especially helpful for ferns, calatheas, peace lilies, orchids, and other plants that thrive in moist air. Just top off the water as it evaporates and give the tray a quick rinse every week or two to keep things clean. It's a low-maintenance fix that can dramatically improve plant health, and you can set up several trays for just a few dollars. Hack number 6. Plant markers from plastic spoons. Plastic spoons from Dollar Tree make surprisingly handy plant markers, especially when you're starting seeds indoors and need a clear way to keep everything organized. Write the plant name on the handle. Flip the spoon so the head goes into the soil, and you've got a simple, sturdy label that won't tip over or get soggy. It's an easy way to avoid mixing up seedlings, and since you get a whole pack for $1, you can label an entire indoor garden without spending much at all. To make the writing last through winter watering, use a permanent marker, a paint pen, or even cover the text with a strip of clear tape to keep it from fading. Because the spoons are plastic, you can wipe them clean and reuse them again in spring. It's one of those small organization hacks that instantly makes your seedling setup look tidier and helps you stay on top of what's growing where. Hack number 7. Drainage solutions with foam plates. Foam plates are one of those Dollar Tree items that don't look like gardening tools at first, but they're perfect for improving drainage in pots. Cut the plates into circles or strips and place them at the bottom of your containers before adding soil. They act as a lightweight barrier that keeps dirt from clogging the drainage holes, which is especially important in winter when soil tends to stay wetter for longer. This simple layer helps excess water escape while still supporting the soil above it, giving roots a healthier environment and reducing the chance of rot. What makes this hack even better is that it's reusable and incredibly lightweight, so it doesn't add bulk or mess to your pots. When you repot in spring, just rinse the foam pieces and use them again. It's a cheap, effective way to improve every container in your indoor garden, especially for plants that hate sitting in soggy soil. For a single $1, you can upgrade multiple pots and keep your winter watering routine much safer. Hack number 8. Vertical garden. Using command hooks. Maximizing window space in winter is key, and Dollar Tree command hooks make it easy to build a simple vertical garden. Hang lightweight pots or small planters in staggered rows to take advantage of every bit of sunlight without crowding your windowsill. This is perfect for trailing plants like pothos, ivy, or string of hearts, which cascade beautifully and add a lush green feel to your indoor space, even when outdoor gardens are dormant. When setting up a vertical garden, pay close attention to weight distribution. Use the strongest hooks available and keep heavier pots lower while lighter ones hang higher. This keeps everything secure and prevents damage to your walls. A vertical setup not only saves space, but also turns a plain window or wall into a thriving indoor garden, giving you more plants for less room and minimal cost. Hack number 9. Pest control with spray bottles. Even in winter, indoor plants can attract pests like spider mites, aphids, and fungus gnats, especially in warm, dry homes. A simple Dollar Tree spray bottle can help you tackle these problems quickly and cheaply. Mix a little dish soap with water, lightly mist the leaves, especially the undersides, and you'll disrupt pests without using harsh chemicals. Regular application once or twice a week usually keeps infestations under control and prevents them from spreading to other plants. This method works particularly well during winter when pests tend to multiply more slowly, giving you a chance to catch them early. Be sure to test the solution on a small leaf first to make sure it doesn't harm your plant. With minimal effort and just a few cents, you can protect your indoor garden all season long and keep your plants looking healthy and vibrant. Hack number 10. Seed starting in egg cartons. Foam egg cartons from Dollar Tree are perfect for starting seeds indoors during winter. Simply poke small drainage holes in the bottom of each compartment, fill them with soil, and plant your seeds. The individual sections keep seedlings organized, prevent overcrowding, and make watering simple. while the lightweight foam helps retain moisture without waterlogging the roots. When your seedlings are ready to transplant, gently pop them out of the carton and move them into larger pots or your garden in spring. This method works especially well for herbs, leafy greens, and small vegetables, giving your plants a strong start even when the weather outside is too cold for planting. It's an easy, low-cost way to get a jump on the growing season. Hack number 11. Plant saucers from plastic plates. Dollar Tree plastic plates make excellent plant saucers that catch excess water and keep your shelves, tables, or windowsills clean. They come in a variety of sizes, so whether you're potting tiny herbs or medium-sized houseplants, there's a plate that fits. Using plates as saucers helps prevent water damage and keeps your plants from sitting in pooled water, which can lead to root rot. You can even get creative with decorative colors or patterns to match your indoor garden aesthetic. Because plastic plates are lightweight and inexpensive, it's easy to swap them out or replace them as your garden grows. For just $1, you can protect your surfaces and add a functional, tidy touch to your indoor plant setup. Hack number 12. Moisture meter from wooden skewers. A simple wooden skewer can act as an effective moisture meter for your indoor plants. Just stick the skewer into the soil, pull it out, and check the tip. If it comes out dry and clean, it's time to water. If it's damp or has soil clinging to it, your plant still has enough moisture. This simple method helps prevent overwatering, which is one of the biggest causes of plant stress and root rot during winter. It's a trick that's not only easy, but also completely free and reusable. Wooden skewers are inexpensive and widely available, and using them ensures your plants get the right amount of water without guesswork. By paying attention to soil moisture this way, you can keep your indoor garden thriving even when natural winter humidity is low. And here's a quick bonus tip just for you. Combine hacks for a complete winter garden. One of the best ways to make the most of these Dollar Tree hacks is to combine several of them into a full, functioning indoor garden setup. For example, you can set your plants in self-watering planters and place them on humidity trays to maintain steady moisture and air humidity. Hang trailing plants using command hooks to maximize vertical space, and add a simple LED grow light nearby to ensure every plant gets enough light during short winter days. Layering these hacks together creates a thriving environment that mimics natural conditions, even in the middle of a cold, dry house. You can also organize your seedlings and new growth using plastic spoons as plant markers, egg cartons for seed starting, and plastic plates as saucers to catch extra water. Propagation stations in glass vases allow you to multiply your favorite plants without spending a fortune, and using foam at the bottom of pots improves drainage and prevents root problems. By setting up multiple stations this way, you create a garden system that's efficient, low maintenance, and entirely budget-friendly. The total cost for combining all of these ideas is surprisingly low, around $12 if you stick to Dollar Tree items. For a handful of dollars, you get a complete winter gardening solution that keeps your plants happy, healthy, and productive until spring arrives. It's a practical, hands-on way to make the most of indoor gardening, turning simple household items into powerful tools for plant growth and enjoyment. Winter doesn't have to mean the end of your gardening season. With just a few inexpensive Dollar Tree items and a little creativity, you can keep your indoor plants thriving all season long. From self-watering planters and mini greenhouses to DIY grow lights and humidity trays, each of these hacks is designed to solve common winter gardening challenges. They help maintain consistent moisture, provide sufficient light, improve air humidity, and even prevent pests, all without breaking the bank. Implementing even a handful of these strategies can make a noticeable difference in the health and growth of your indoor garden. By combining these hacks, you can create a fully functional winter garden that maximizes space, minimizes effort, and ensures your plants stay vibrant. Vertical setups save windowsill space, propagation stations allow you to multiply your favorite plants, and inexpensive labeling solutions keep everything organized. Even small tweaks, like using foam for drainage or skewers to check soil moisture, can prevent costly mistakes like overwatering or root rot. When you approach winter gardening strategically, it becomes not just manageable but genuinely rewarding, with green, thriving plants to enjoy every day. Finally, the best part about these Dollar Tree hacks is how accessible they are. For a total of around $12, you can set up a complete indoor garden system that supports growth, reduces stress, and makes winter a productive season for your plants. These hacks are simple, practical, and effective, giving you the tools to keep your green thumb active all year. So take what you've learned, try a few or all of these ideas, and watch your indoor garden flourish this winter. Your plants will thank you, and so will your wallet. If you love these hacks and want more practical tips to keep your indoor garden thriving all year, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a video. Drop a comment below and let me know which hack you're trying first. I love seeing what you all create. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.